Hi, this is Raksil. Welcome back to another custom ROM review. Let's get going. Okay, this is, let's go to settings, Android version 12, and this custom ROM is PalladiumOS, right? And the Android version is 12, and this is still in testing. You have Android security update 5th December 2021, and the kernel is PARP kernel, and you get status enforcing. That is good, right? The fingerprint is fast and smooth, and if you press and hold on the home screen, home settings, you get to see the launcher is Launcher 12, Launcher 12.0, right? You get the customization for your launcher themes, right? And the safety net pass, all the profile is successfully passed, you don't have to worry. And in Play Store settings, about, you get device is certified out of the box. That is good, right? And the monet and the theme is looking great right here. You get widgets, Android 12 widgets, right? You get wallpapers and style. You can choose wallpapers. You have these wallpapers and wallpaper colors, basic colors, right? This is working perfectly. And in settings, you get atomic hub. Here you get the customization for your status bar, miscellaneous UI, themes, lock screen, right? Here you can see, and if you tap here, you get split screen. You have split screen, screenshot. This is working, right? And now let's see the Geekbench score and the Antutu score. Right here you can see the score. Single score is 710, right? And the multi score is 2686. This is a good score from the PARP kernel based on Android 12, right? This is not a bad score. And let's see the Antutu score. And here you can see the Antutu benchmark 521476. That is good, right? And in DRM info, you get security level L1. That is good. Let's go to battery, and you have thermal profiles and game mode here. You can enable 180 Hz. I don't think you get 180 Hz in Android 12, right? I have been using this custom ROM for 2 days and I haven't found any major bug here. This is quite stable. You have SE Linux enforcing. Play Store device is certified out of the box, and the ROM is good. You get decent battery backup. You can definitely try this custom ROM. It's going to release very soon in our Telegram updates, right? Okay, thanks for watching this video, and that's pretty much it for this video. And if you enjoyed the video, then hit that like button and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video, right? Peace out, bye bye.